Well, I think that preparedness, natural disasters can happen to anyone, and preparedness, the role of the first interveners, how do you deal with the public? What is the first information? I think this kind of sharing from people who had a real experience, who also handled it pretty well, I think, is very helpful. Plus, we saw some technologies that can help improve both early warning and also the buildings. And it just reminds us that disasters can happen all over the world. And then also through China, there is this major fault line that is where over a dozen earthquakes in the last 100 years have happened up and down the fault line. And so it's particularly important for cities and villages there to protect themselves.
Yeah.
So we're investors, socially responsible investors. So we think about making money, but most importantly, how to make a society and how to invest in companies that have the social responsibility. So companies that care enough about the workers and the environment and the structure so their buildings are safe. We're also investors here in China in the China Environment Fund, which is a fund that invests in companies that help protect the environment or do things like organic farming and bring new ways of having more ecological, sustainable development. So we're investors in that respect based in Washington, D.C., the Calvert funds.